Hello everyone, today's menu will be Blackberry Serrano chicken and rice. This delicious meal comes together quickly and a perfect budget-friendly meal that everyone will love. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Here I have some boneless chicken thighs with skin on, and I'm just going to season it with some salt, and some black pepper, and then also some garlic powder. And I'm gonna do this to both sides. The seasoning that I'm using, these are staple ingredients, but if you don't have garlic powder, you can go ahead and just use salt and black pepper. In a large cast iron over medium-high heat with oil, I'm going to place in the chicken, skin side down, and careful not to burn yourself. And don't overcrowd the pan. I'm going to sear them for about 4 to 5 minutes. After a couple minutes, I'm going to flip the chicken and cook another 3 to 4 minutes. And then remove it to a plate and repeat with the remaining 2 chickens. In the same skillet, I'm going to add in the long grain white rice along with the blackberry salsa, and then the waters. And this is the staple ingredients too, but you may add chicken broth if you wish. And then I'm just going to give it a stir and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, add the chicken back in on top of rice. And then along with the juice. And then you want to reduce it to a simmer, and I'm going to cover it with the lid and cook for about 15 to 17 minutes or until the chicken are cooked through. Here is the end results of the Blackberry Serrano chicken and rice skillet. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!